I think our office has achieved a stronger sense of unity recently by having more social events where the whole firm can get involved, more photos and memories around the office of the events that we've done as a group. And we've also communicated individual colleagues' events such as their birthday or exam successes, so that everyone's aware of how well everyone's doing and things that we can celebrate as a group. And it's all helped to create a better team spirit and awareness of others.
For me, one of the most important core values of Horsons is unity. All the different departments collaborating together to make sure that clients always have positive outcomes. Because of course, at Horsons, everybody counts.
Unity to me is about encouraging team members to be themselves and individual without feeling the need to conform or compromise their beliefs and standards. In turn, this will make for a happy and more harmonious workplace.
I think unity is important because staff feel happier and more comfortable when they're used to working together and trusting one another. Which is why I think social events are so important, because it gives staff a chance to interact under different conditions and foster deeper connections that you can't necessarily build within just an office space.